Summer break was amazing, but now it's time to reset. Back at the gym, moving my body and reminding myself how good consistency feels. Getting back on track isn't just about workouts, it's also resetting my home too. Fresh laundry, fresh start. My son and I go to the grocery store to fill our carts with healthy choices. I love that my kids get to be part of this with me. After Sprouts, we went to Tokyo Central to pick up some bento boxes and some supportive gut health products like kimchi and natto. Using the vibration plate for recovery, and also created a really healthy dinner for me and the fam. Summer memories will always be there, but so will our health, and here's to balance, routine, and feeling strong again. Please subscribe and follow, like, comment below for more videos like this.